Today, I'm going to show you how to save and move your contacts to the SIM card on your Android device. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. This is usually pre-installed and you can find it in your app drawer. Now, let's move your contacts to the SIM card. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings or Manage Contacts depending on your device. Look for the option that says Import, Export or Export Contacts. Tap on it. Choose Export to SIM card. You may see options for exporting to other locations, but we want the SIM card. Now you'll need to select which contacts you want to move. You can select individual contacts or choose all of them. Once you've made your selection, tap Export or OK. After the process is complete, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your contacts have been successfully exported to the SIM card. You can check your SIM card to verify that the contacts are there. And that's it, you've successfully saved and moved your contacts to the SIM card on your Android device.